toolbox. Anyway, I'm not gonna go through these that much. There's some shit in there. Socket set. PPE. Some grinding discs and whatnot. Not really gonna go through here, like I said, that much. There's my welding rod, harness, grinder, light, battery chargers, hammers, pry bars, big old wrench, some levels, and this I'll actually take and put my mics, my calipers. And then I got a bunch of tool storage in here. I'm not going to go through all of that nonsense. It's a bunch. Power tools, whatnot. A ton of pry bars down there.
I'm facing the camera towards you.
This is the new addition today. I'll probably get the glove holder, but I just got some gloves in there right now. Soapstone markers, pens, I'm going to put that there. Did you see all the sockets, Ruby? Standard metric impacts, standard metric swivels, and then this is SAE metric. Got some Allen handle, die grinder, air gun, spark plugs, adapters, ratchets, got some breakers down here, extensions. Get the screwdriver drawer. Paying attention?
Yeah.
You getting it? Alright, all my screwdrivers. Got a step drawer, safety glasses, sharpener, some little files, Sharpies, all that good stuff.
Files.
Some lockout locks, scissors, Nip-X adjustables, some files, side cutters, some goodies in there, some taps, chisels. Here's why I got Reefy helping me film this. These are great. These are going to be my metrics, my gear wrenches, my little metrics. This is standard. That's all standard. This is all metric. So when I need to get my standard metrics out of the way. Nice and clean. These things are great to keep your SAE, your metric, organized and separate. And I got right here some extensions, adapters for my 3/8, some T-handles. I think I'm going to put magnets on my T-handles so when the lid's up, I can put it up here. Dead blow.
Dead blow. What's
Yeah,
that?
it's a dead blow hammer.
Why is it called that?
A ball peen, 3 pound, just a little, got some adapters and whatnot in there.
That's a D-Walt case for like screws.
More sockets, impact sockets.
More
impact,
screws with
Allens,
that.
rivets, of course. And I have those. Probably gonna put something over here on the back so I can still use this, kind of like right here. Keep my Johnson bar and my bigger pry bars. Oh no, I'd say that's a hell of a good deal box. Got all the ratchets, half inch, 3/8, You get your extensions, couple breakers, more extensions, and then this is the only problem I saw. Can't really fit that down in there, but that's not a big deal. I ran out of room for ratchets, and I got all my sockets in here. Standard SAE, metric, and then these are actually split up, my swivels, standard and metric.